Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use AI to help yourself in practice exams. So this is known as Apify Actor. So I will leave the link to this Apify Actor in the description. So you can come to this and you can input the images that you want to solve. So it could be a screenshot, it could be an image that you took from web. So I have just put this objective type questions, that is multiple choice questions, MCQ. So these are the different ones I have put it here. Okay, so even I have put an advertisement in between to show how it will bypass that. So now let's go ahead and you have to put in your API key. I have put OpenAI API key here. So after that, what I will do is I'll say start. So what it will do is in the log, if you go and see, it will go through this and it will try to solve those answers and give me the output in the form of an Excel or in any JSON or any format. So if you see this first one, it's extracting the question, it is solving it, first image, third image, right? So it is extracting the questions and solving it. So that way I will be able to get answers to any objective type questions that I can take a picture online. So instead of manually searching it in ChatGPT or OpenAI or Gemini or wherever, you can get answers to all those things in a structured way in a very easy to use format. So now if I go to the export, so you see this output here, I can see the answers to all the questions. You see this is the correct answer for. So what is the main purpose of judicial review? To assess the legality of administrative action. So the same thing, I can click on this export button and export it as CSV or Excel. So if you see this, I can export it. So this is the one that has been exported. So that way, if I want to get answers to a lot of questions, I can instantly get answers to those questions by using this API. You see this? These are the questions, these are the explanation for it, this is the answer for it. So this way you will be able to solve any exam online. So I hope you will use it judicially to help yourself learn new things. Thank you very much.